In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean camera flash effect in DaVinci Resolve using only the built-in tools. And the setup is quick and simple. So let's get started. First, go to the Effects panel on the Edit page and search for Adjustment Clip. Drag it above your main clip and place it exactly where you want the flash to appear. Keep it short, around 4 frames, to get that quick burst of light. With the adjustment clip selected, pull both fade handles inward, which softens the start and end of the flash. Next, change the composite mode to screen. This blend mode brightens the underlying image and helps the flash feel natural. Next, move over to the color page. Make sure the adjustment clip is selected in the timeline. In the primary wheels, increase the gain to roughly 1.5. This boosts the overall brightness for that moment and creates the flash effect. You can adjust the exact value based on how strong you want the flash to be. When you're done, return to the Edit page and add a camera shutter sound effect at the same moment as the flash. This helps sell the effect and makes the transition feel more intentional. That's the full setup: a short adjustment clip, screen mode, a quick gain boost, and an optional shutter sound to finish it off.